Hi there. I like walk barefoot. Why is that? It makes me happy and aware. This is our natural state. Um, so I encourage you to also that you do the same whenever is possible. Of course, in warm weather. Now it's not so warm, but I don't care. I can still stay healthy, and you can be brave for that. Um, well, when you walk barefoot, um, you need to watch your step, right? And that's why you are in the present moment, and this um, is making you more aware every time you are doing this. So I do this regularly, so every day as much as possible, and I also reconnect every time with the earth because this is uh, the natural energy. So if it is well um, your when you're breathing, your energy flows through your whole body, and when you're barefoot, it can go or down or up. It doesn't matter. This is subconsciously is doing this spontaneously, I meant. So um, and also, if you remember when you were a young child, your mother was rubbing right here. Oops. She was doing like this, right? And it makes you happy. And when you are walking, it's the same feeling. Try it. Also great is also 5 fingers slippers. Other options are 5 finger shoes, which is similar to walk barefoot. So for colder days you can use also socks for 5 fingers, and it's just easy to you need to separate fingers like this, and voila, easy, right? And or just barefoot, and it's the same. And you see it is very flexible, and also Vibram rubber, so it's great product if you want to be in public barefoot. Or zero shoes, doesn't matter. Well, zero, I meant like that is just a flat surface, just a thin rubber. When you're walking, it's the same. So try it, test it for yourself, don't believe me, and you will see the benefits and good results of it. Thank you very much for watching. Please share and subscribe. Avia, ciao.